Special announcement bazalwane, there is now a new date yokubuya kaYesu Kristu. Esibana besimlindele nge-23rd nange-24th kaSeptember. Akabuya uJesu, samlinda, he didn't come back. Siyileke kolabazalwane bebesithi uzawubuya ngeza dates yokuthi bakwenze njani. Now there is a new date apparently. Yesu Kristu kuthiwa ngokuyabuya nge-8 kaOctober. No longer the 23rd, 24th besimlinde ngayo kaSeptember. No longer the month of September. We are now expecting the rapture from the month of October.
I'm 1,000,000,000% sure that the rapture is going to happen on the 23rd and the 24th of September 2025. But when you cross over straight from this Feast of Trumpets to our Gregorian calendar, we put you on the 7th and 8th of October. Now listen, to me who was asking God, where's your part? I did my part. I delivered the message. Why you didn't rapture the people? And then he said, days from now, I will rapture my church.
Yeah, so asiqashanga ke bazalwane, singabe sabuyela ezonweni, wena busezonweni ungabe sabuyela endweni zakho, ucimba uqhashile uYesu Kristu akabuyanga. So let me go back into the things that I was doing. Jesus is still coming back. It's just that now the date has been postponed to the next month. So bazalwane, lento ke ithethwa nguJoshua Mhlakela, ubuziwe bakwenze njani, wathi yena besijonge kwicalendar wrong. Calendar besijonge kuyo was wrong. Besijonge ke kwicalendar kuthiwa iGregorian calendar. We were supposed to be looking at the Julian calendar. Julian calendar ke ilichazayo exactly into kubana le date ekuthiwa yi-Feast of the Trumpet okanye i-Rosh Hashan. Rosh Hashan if ndibiza kahle, a festival which is a Jewish festival whereby ku celebratewa okanye kukhunjulwa the judgment of the Lord. Kuthiwa ke is the Feast of the Trumpet whereby kuvuthelwa amaxilongo. It's a very old tradition or a very old festival yamaJuda, starting from incwadi zeNumbers, Numeri, phakwe eBhayibhile Leviticus, ezaBhayibhile ezancwadi zeLeviticus kulapho ichazwa khona imbali yale festival apho isuka khona. That is where kucelebratewa the judgment of the Lord by blowing ama-trumpet, by blowing ishafar in celebration or in remembrance yale festival okanye ye judgment of the Lord. Now isuka apho ke lento into kubana xa ibalwa ke le festival kuthiwa inge-23rd nange-24th kaSeptember. That is where the idea that Jesus Christ might be coming back on those days is because of ihamba yanqamelana nale date. Now uMhlakela again came and said he had a dream where he was visited directly by Jesus, and Jesus said on the 23rd, the 24th of September, I am coming back to redeem my church. Ke ndiyabuya ndizokulanda ibandla lam. If you are not ready, uyakhwejwa. You will be left behind. Ndihamba nabantwana bam. So that is what Jesus said to Joshua. And babuza abantu ba, are you 100% sure? What I am more than 100% sure, I am 1,000,000,000% sure that Christ will be coming back in those days, and Jesus Christ didn't come back. So he was 100%, he was 1,000,000,000% sure then that uyabuya kule nyanga kaSeptember akabuya. Now he's again 1,000,000,000% sure that uyabuya kule nyanga ka-October. Ndifuna ukuxelela again bazalwane, akazobuya. I am 1,000,000,000% sure that he's not going to come back in those days. I know that Jesus Christ is coming back, but not in the days apho Mhlakela bathi uzawubuya ngayo, not in the days apho uEnigma athi uzawubuya ngayo. Ethi iBhayibhile when he comes back, he comes like a thief, meaning that we don't know. Xa kuthiwa uza okwe-thief akaxeli xa eseza.
Matthew 24:42-44 NIV. Therefore keep watch, because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. But understand this, If the owner of the house had known at what time of night the thief was coming, he would have kept watch and would not have let his house be broken into. So you also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him.
Uza ningamlindelanga. When you are not even prepared for his coming, he will just come. Meaning that akazuba niki warning ati ndiyeza ngedate ethile ngexesha elithile, because you know that once he tells the world that is coming on this specific day, then the people will start to prepare. Bazawulahla abantu izono besithini, because they know that he's coming on this day. Indaba yokubuya kaYesu is like death. Ukufa uzazi uzawufa nini. Yabona, otherwise baba uzazi uzawufa nini, uzawuzenza zonke into ozenzayo, then ngeli xesha ufuna ukufe ngalo ube ungonulungisa ngalo, because uyazazi uba you are about to die. Jesus Christ is coming like that. We won't know, we won't be warned that is coming, but he will just come when we are not even prepared for his coming. So le ithethwa ngabazalwane ke, who are saying that they know, they've got a revelation and they are certain, they are 100% sure that he's coming on this day. It's unbiblical. Bazalwane yonke lento ishunyelwa ngabazalwane oJoshua, Mhlakela, Enigma nabanye nje nabamama bahamba bethetha besithi uyabuya ngedate ethile. It's unbiblical. It's unbiblical. And bazalwane into engekhoyo. Now they are making Jesus turn up to be a liar, because this guy said uYesu uthe ndiyabuya ngale date. Now ayangabuyi uthi uYesu uthe hani jonge kwicalendar. What kind of a Jesus is that? Ngoplo Jesus kuthethwa ngaye apha uthi ndiyeza ngale mini xa engasanga athi hayi calendar was wrong, kaniphinde nijonge ngolu hlobo. Why bengatshongo kwangela xesha uba ndiza nge-8 ka-October, athi kule ndoda ndiza nge-8 nge-23rd kaSeptember, 24th kaSeptember, kanti uyazazi uba akazi ngezo dates. Why ezawutshintsha ama-dates? Why? No bazalwane, ayikho nje le nto le bazalwane. Honestly speaking, this is absolute nonsense. Imfishi udoti, yonke nje ngamanga ngamaxoki whatever, ayikho yonke le nto siyenzelwa ngabazalwane. I'm just making these videos just to tell the people that we need to be ready for the coming of Christ all the time, not on a specific day that these guys are putting. May the Lord bless you. Another video ke bazalwane enzayifaka icacisa now ngo-Enigma, brother Enigma, what was his explanation, because he came also and explained ukuthi why uJesu engabuyanga. Let us hear from my next video ukuthi uthini yena brother Enigma about Jesus not coming back. God bless you.